my freedom taken away. Reason is against emotion. I've gotta deal with street frustration.
Dropping straight out the coffin, locked in. Guess now you're all out of options. Watchmen, I'm a dark knight, no Gotham. Decimate your regiments and tearing through your squadrons. Rod and plead all your sins to Father, no caution. Drown out the screens with laughter, no conscience. Bow to go down like martyrs and a burning of these Shermans like the Hindenburg disaster. Gun to your head, no there's no turning back. Dead or alive like a Schrodinger's cat. They be like 9 with a 9 in their mouth, and like water I'm known for disposing the trash. Better witness, I'm a madman. It's like Christmas when I pack mags. Take a big ship and I crash land. It's like click click, then it's bang bang. You can understand me like I'm abstract. Hit the 21 shots like it's blackjack. Fuck the Vatican, ain't one for back chat. Tell I'm pale for the chest like I'm Vlad. Cannot clap back, it's not happening. I'm a monster, a god like a Manderson. I'm smiting these heathens, no paladin. Cause with the way that they fight me, it's also embarrassing. Whipping at my dagger so you know I bring the hounds. I'm a gunning down round after round after round after round after round. Every round of the mouth to the body count. I'll be leaving puddles on the battleground. Getting loud, I'll be striking on the clock like Big Ben. When in doubt, hammer up the ending like a pitch bend. Your life is in danger, so major. The barrel is aimed like I'll feed a Zen. Blood on my hands, blood on my shoes, blood on the air, blood on the ground. I'm on the move, better be scared. Blood on my lips, blood on my drip, blood in my lair. Enter the mists, if you insist, I'll answer your prayers. Blood on the walls, I'm unloading my shells. Blood in the street, hear the sound of the bells. London, this where the vampire dwells. Blood in the city, so welcome to hell.
Rustage, top from Tokyo. I speak Japanese. Listen. Hey, 外からも叩き手つきめされめ深から海洋が腰から学べどうなるとまにとまに米白どうなるどうなるどうかめないバカもなこちりものもなこしとこしょなやこしょこめの輝き MS から寄ってこの世界で追ってなども力当然力トップロップより証明攻めのボード散らそうとこめの本庄すぐですどうぞこの目にただへものなどないこの子に金逃げようなどどうでもない文字通り地の僕まで君だらへのこくなロースタートの下の懸命ハリハリハリ挑戦遊びのカリカリ投資的だろかめめでほどじじこ叩きレス滝までくりする闇から滴るクリレの橋なる闇の出したばつきひなるこじねと慈悲なき飛びのチョキは高いよもな裸かけ
Blood on my hands, blood on my shoes, blood in the air, blood on the ground, I'm on the move, better be scared. Blood on my lips, blood on my drip, blood in my lair. Enter the mists, if you insist, I'll answer your prayers. Blood on the walls, I'm unloading my shells. Blood in the street, hear the sound of the bells. London, this where the vampire dwells. Blood in the city, so welcome to hell. Blood on the walls, I'm unloading my shells. Blood in the street, hear the sound of the bells. London, this where the vampire dwells. Blood in the city, so welcome to hell.
Yeah, saying ice cream, and it tasted really good. I just walked down the street, I am walking with my brothers. I pull up on my home, and I went inside the door. And I cut to you my titty, cause I need to use my phone. I said don't hit my phone, leave a message at the zone. I got many things to do, so you have to shut up. And I like to draw with crayons because they are pretty good. If I were to be an animal, I would be an elephant. This is fire, I won't lie, but I fart in front of your eye. Put me in rock and make you cry. I'm gonna stop, I can probably die. Bring it back, got my bitch. Just kidding, I don't have money. Then I went inside the restroom, then I walked outside the hall. Okay, I got what? I got money, you're so funny, no I don't. I contracted Ebola and it was really freaking awesome. I just ate a pumpkin pie and now I'm gonna eat another. I'm so funny, this is animal. I take a pic and post it on my Snapchat and I took a pic and now I'm getting ghosted by an Android because iPhone isn't epic. It is dumb, I said epic, so now I'm gonna die like bro. I said my name is Jeff, but my name isn't Jeff because it's malls. I ran away from home and now I'm going homeless. Holy shit, I ate a crayon and it tastes so good. Now I'm gonna go and buy a dose. And the funny has arrived, I shed the time and check my phone. And I wish to be an animal, I would be a fox.
Your head, rock, rock, your head, rock, rock.
Hey, I got your text, and I'm sorry, I can't let you hit it. You're like a brother to me. Anyways, what's your friend's number?
I'll open up your mind, don't open up your thighs. Skinny bitches, thick bitches, I like all kinds. Bitch, you said that you're not pulling up, I honestly don't mind. Cause I got here to make loaded up and I can kill some time. No, I don't want your motherfucker, I want your horoscope. You can call me when you're through, and I'll let you know. Where's your profit, young head? My bitch straight out of Doja. You can keep your legs closed and patch me the lotion.
Hi, my name is Wajan. I think that you're really pretty. I just wanna get some boba and drive around in the city. You can talk about your boyfriend, I know that he's really shitty. Like getting to know you better, I don't wanna see them titties. I just wanna cuddle while sleeping under the moonlight. She gets passed around and her pussy not even that tight. I cannot believe that I got a text from her last night. Left me undelivered, but I know I guess that's alright.
Treat these bitches like a tire, man, I always keep a spare. Tap, never talk again, I don't even care. Wake up in the morning, I'm not even fucking there. And I don't care about your wig, bitch, just let me pull your hair, ayy. I'm a Chad, so you'll never catch me simpin'. Gave her good dick, now I gotta keep my distance. I never be your man, dumb thought be realistic. You may say my dick is small, but hey, bitch, I still hit it. Ayy, like why the fuck I need a girl when I got a hand? Trying to see some titties, don't need to be a simp or a Chad. I just go to Pornhub or Hentai Haven. Don't need persuasion when I got a body pillow that I'm trying to smash. Don't talk to girls, I got the Amazon Alexa. All I need, don't worry about what next. I got a text her, I keep the peace. I'm on OnlyFans, a Belle Delphine. Dream of the day when I can smash sure when I turn 18. My name is Prophet, bitch, I want a naughty chick. 02, she be a hottie shit, I like them smaller tits. Man, I'm tired of lying, goddamn the shit got me crying. Like I just want some mommy milkers to suffocate me, I'm dying, ayy, ayy.
Open up your mind, don't open up your thighs. Skinny bitches, thick bitches, I like all kinds. Bitch, you said that you not pulling up, I honestly don't mind. Cause I got here to make loaded up and I can kill some time. No, I don't want your motherfucker, I want your horoscope. You can call me when you're through, and I'll let you know. Vision Prophet, young head, my bitch straight out of Doja. You can keep your legs closed and patch me the lotion.
I do my dance while I'm counting up the bands. Bad bitch with me while we speeding in the Jag. All I see is blue, but really not sad. I just signed a deal, now I'm richer than your dad. Hey, yeah, counting up, counting cash. I just did a dash while your girl be looking mad. All these rappers suck, yeah, all these rappers ass. I'm in love with Fendi, baby, used to rock a Gap. Hey, yeah, I was down bad, now all I do is stunt. I might cop a Lambo, baby, Billy got the funds. I remember being broke, that was no fun. Now I'm eating shrimp, used to eating Captain Crunch. Took your bitch to Paris, just a stunt. 80,000 on my neck, just for fun. Running up the commas, took your girl to lunch. Flexing is a habit, I can never give it up. Hey, yeah, I got hoes in my DMs trying to hit me for the addy. I'm too busy, Billy chillin' on the island with your granny, and we shopping. Yeah, we real fancy. I just piped up, now your auntie getting handsy. I make a milli, then I spend it on the gang. Up for 3 days, I forgot where I stay. Cooking in the stew, Bobby Flay. If you see me on the stage, you know Billy getting paid. Hey, yeah.
And so this journey is coming to an end. It was honestly hard and took me like around 10 hours to finish it. But all worth it in the end. I was having trouble with putting the head on and that took an extra 30 minutes to do. But overall I give it a 9 out of 10.